Okay, so today we're going to be doing this paper right here. And this is a storyboard to help you brainstorm some ideas about creating your own superhero. So make sure you put your name on it so you don't lose it. And the date, whatever the date is for you today. And you will brainstorm in each section. This one is your superhero's name, and maybe you have lots of different little ideas. Super beautiful, super happy, happy girl. I don't know. What are you going to put there? So you can come up with lots of different ideas and then start to draw your superhero if you want, or even like your superhero logo could go here, you know. And then you can brainstorm what sort of powers your superhero is going to have. Is your superhero going to be like really fast? Is your superhero going to be smart? Are they going to have laser eyes? I think that's how you spell laser. And so you'll write those ideas in there. And it doesn't have to be full sentences. It doesn't have to be spelled right. This is just to help you quickly get your ideas down to help you create a superhero. Okay? And you can draw it out, you can write it out however you want. Then this is the origin of your superhero's superpowers. What is their origin story? Where did they get their powers? Were they like Superman and got bit by a radioactive spider? Were they born that way like Superman? What happened? And then in this space here, you are going to put who their enemies are, their nemesis or antagonists. Those are other words that also mean enemy. So those are the kinds of things that you'll put in there. And you can start anywhere you want. You can start with the enemy. You can start with the origin story. You can start with superpowers. I felt like I had an easier time coming up with a name for my superhero when I knew what their powers were going to be. After I figured out that my superhero was going to be extra smart, then I could start to come up with names that would reflect that. Okay? So that's how you use this paper. There you go.